Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Robuilder YouTube channel. Today we're going to be helping a fan learn Blender. I get these DMs every single day, just someone saying, hey, can you help me learn Blender? Can we do this? Can we do that? Teach me how to do this or teach me how to do that. And guys, today I said yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop into a call with them, ask what they would like to learn in Blender, and hopefully it's something I know how to do, and then teach them how to do whatever they're wanting to do, whether that's a rock, a tree, a house, etc. I'm gonna teach them how to make it. So let's jump in a call and see what's up. All right, what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good,
Great. I'm doing great as well. You are the first person that I'm doing a one-on-one help learn Blender, so I'm kind of nervous but kind of excited.
I'm honored. So yeah, I'm new to Blender, and
all right.
I just want to learn how to do the synthwave style because I really like the purples and the neons and stuff. And
oh,
pretty cool.
I've done one video on this. I made a speedrun map in the synthwave style, and people were like, well, the only reason I did it is because people said it was impossible. Okay, it's not. It's pretty plausible actually. So. For learning, what do you learn the best with? Me sharing my screen or like a list? What's the best way for you to learn?
Typically I learn with watching others. I like watching YouTube tutorials and stuff like that. So I guess I'll just watch you do it first, and then I'll try to replicate.
Awesome. Lastly, do you know anything about Blender? Do you know how to spawn in objects, like the very basics at least?
I know how to scale, extrude, and stuff like that. I do not know how to spawn in spheres and objects. So.
Okay, awesome. So, do you have your Blender open? We can definitely get started on here.
Yes, I do.
Alright, so first thing you're going to do, just press A and then delete everything in your scene. So you should just have nothing.
Got it.
Awesome. Now you're going to press Shift A, go on Mesh, and click on Plane.
Okay, cool.
Alright, and then just press S to scale that up to like whatever your desired, area is.
Okay, got it.
Press Tab and go into edit mode. Press Control R. And it's going to add a loop cut, like hover over one of your edges. And then scroll on your mouse, just like a bunch, like a lot. As much as you want to, but just make it like it's called subdivided. So just make it have a lot of squares. Do it on one side and then do it on the other. If you need reference, check out my screen. And it shows you how it kind of should look at the end.
Okay, that's that. Control, what was it again?
Control R. And that's loop cuts.
R. I'm going to do it on this side now.
They don't have to be the exact same either. So just like whatever you want to do.
Okay, so I got it down one side. I don't know how to do it down the other plane.
So just hover your mouse over the other side, like the other line, and then do Control R.
Okay, so let me share my screen real quick.
Yep.
Basically, I've got it one axis done.
So you already clicked. Just press Control Z. There you go. Nope, stay right there, and then do a loop cut on the other side. And before you click, so press Control R. And now scroll your mouse wheel.
Oh,
there you go.
Cool.
There you go. And then just click when you're happy with where it's at.
Right there.
All right. Now what we're going to do, up here on the top of my screen and the top of yours, there's a little selection. So you can have face select, line select, or vertice select. And you're going to want to click on vertice selection. It's this little dot right up here. Oh, you're already on it. You're good. Towards the middle of your screen. Yep, right there.
Here we go.
Now click on the little thing beside it and click random. Awesome.
Done.
Now you're going to press G and make sure it's kind of scaled over your whole plane. So G and then middle mouse wheel. Nope. Back. Right click. So G and then mouse wheel scroll. Other way. Make it cover like your whole plane. There you go.
Done.
And now you can right click and press G and Z and then move your mouse. Yeah. So this is the main sort of aesthetic of synthwave. It's just very like choppy, and it's not smooth.
It's so cool. Do I just click whenever I'm happy
not smooth. Yep, whenever you're happy, just go ahead and click. I'd go a little bit more exaggerated than that. Yep, something like that. Yes.
Sweet.
Awesome. And now you're gonna press Tab to go into object mode again.
Dubs.
Awesome. Now what we're gonna do is press Shift and D and then click. Nope, don't move your mouse. Right click. All right.
There we go.
Okay, I think you have 3 of them now. So delete, yep, there you go, and you should have 2. So just make sure you are selecting your copy, which you are, perfect. And then there's this little wrench icon on your screen. Go to that for me.
Where would that be?
It's on your right side, sort of like properties, and then down, the blue wrench.
Oh, gotcha.
Perfect, there we go. And you're gonna wanna add a modifier.
Okay, Now, what do these do?
So these are like the godsend of Blender. You can do pretty much anything you want with these modifiers. They're actually just, they're just fantastic.
I've seen bevel before.
Yes, I wouldn't recommend beveling this mesh. You're gonna get very high in the vertice counts. All right, so wireframe. So click the wireframe. It's on the bottom of that row. Yes, there you go. And now you can adjust your wireframe settings, the thickness, the offset, etc. right there in the new panel that just popped up. So you could kind of just play around with thickness. I'm going to make mine pretty small. So mine is on 0.005 right now. That's what I like. And you don't have to just use the arrows like that. You can click and drag to move it as well.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
So I'm going to do, or you can even click and do, like, type it. So I'm going to do 0.005. That's where I like it at.
I'll go 0.007.
Awesome. And offset, you don't really have to worry about. I am going to make mine all the way up, though, to 1. All right, so this is our basic thing. Go ahead and hover over where you were changing all that and press Control-A. Nope, over on the wireframe thing.
Oh, okay.
Yep, and that's just going to apply that modifier. Now you're going to want to click on this little red circle down here, under the wrench. Red circle, yep. Click new, and then, yep, click it. There you go.
Okay, PC's a little bit slow, we're good.
All good. And then next to base color, you see that dot?
Yeah.
Or really, we could just use base color. So click on base color, and now you can select your color. So for this kind of thing, it's usually like black or a very dark blue that they set this to. So go ahead and set whatever color fits your fancy.
For that, we'll go for that.
Awesome. And now, are you still in object mode? Yep. Click on your wireframes. You don't have to click on them in that. You could also click on them right in the 3D view as well if you wanted to. So now that we have our wireframes, we're going to do the same thing. Click new. And then on our base color, I'm going to do like a very bright, let's go pink. I'm going to do a pink. You could do whatever color you'd like.
Let's go for pink. How about that? We'll do that.
All right. And now we're going to scroll down and there is all sorts of stuff. There's something called emission. I'm going to click on that, drag it up, and do that same sort of pink. And then there's, of course, emission strength and all of that as well, which we will only see in the render. Drag, nope, go back. Yep, click on it, and then, yeah. So on the side, next to that one, there's the riser that's it's on black right now. Raise it up to white. There you go.
Gotcha. I'm going to go for like a very, like a purplish pink.
All right, and then press F12 to render. Ta-da!
Yo!
Synthwave!
That is actually so cool. Can I frame this in my room?
If you wanted to, I would make the whole background and stuff first. But okay. I don't know the most about all the stuff like how to make it glow and everything like that. Like there is ways to do all of that. I'm still new to like the whole rendering stuff in Blender. Anything else in this style you would like to learn, or did that pretty much sum up what your goal was?
That's pretty much it, man. I really do appreciate you taking your time and helping me out, though.
Awesome, and I'm looking forward to you making the next big Synthwave GFX and passing me in skill level very shortly.
Of course, it's gonna happen.
But alright guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy and you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My dogs always go off in the outro. Have a great day. Later.